Rhinos are vanishing. So are rare plants. Some causes of biodiversity are natural. Others reflect human activity, from climate change to habitat loss to invasive species. To preserve biodiversity, we need experts from lots of different fields working together: biology, environmental sciences, and the humanities, including art. Art and biodiversity science come together in my project on DNA barcoding art. I think of DNA barcoding as a universal product code for life on Earth. Like scanning your groceries, biologists use DNA barcoding to read a tiny bit of genetic material and identify the species. Knowing what lives where today can help us track and anticipate changes in biodiversity from natural and human causes, and art can play a role. For my research, I've interviewed a photographer and a sculptor in Wales, and multimedia installation artists in Seattle and Toronto. Their work includes aspects and motifs of barcoding and biodiversity. I'm asking a key question: what do we gain from using DNA barcoding in artworks? Among the answers, 3 stand out. First, how many of you have visited a barcoding science lab, as in the middle photo here? Likely not many. You're more likely to take in a wildlife photography exhibit, as shown on the right, one whose art can touch your mind and heart. Second, art can give scientists themselves a new view and appreciation of biodiversity and might even shape their studies. Third, I think of the Welsh artist whose plant photos, like the one on the left, include DNA barcoding motifs. When she learned of a science project to barcode all of her country's plants, the artist thought, oh great, yet another way to reduce all of life to a commodity. And she realized it's just the opposite. In the barcode database, the humble roadside weed rises to the same standing as the prized rose, and to the same standing as every other living thing on Earth. That includes one species that also gets a single entry in the global barcode database, Homo sapiens, the species that practices both art and science and brings them together. Through my project, I'm looking to learn and share how DNA barcoding art can highlight biodiversity problems, from vanishing rhinos to rare plants, and perhaps prompt us to solve them. Thanks.